overhead bins for landing. Check once more, make sure your seatbelt securely fastened. Bring your seat back. So I'm kind of show your tray table. Flight attendants will be coming through the cabin one final time to collect any remaining service items. Be landing soon. Welcome to Miami International Airport. The time is now 11:07 a.m. For your safety, we kindly ask you may see the receiver securely fastened, leaving all can items secure, and kindly keep the aisle spare to a parked gate and the seatbelt cannot be turned on. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure you have all your belongings, check the seatbelt pockets, overhead bins, and closets for anything you brought on board. Be careful and open the overhead bins and articles may move during the flight. If you visit the Miami business or pleasure, we hope you have enjoyed your stay, or wherever your final destination may be. If returning home, welcome home. On behalf of your New York-based flight crew, we may have a choice in traveling by air. We thank you for choosing American Airlines and proud member of the One World Alliance.